Hello, I'm MATC instructor Ann Lucht. Part 2 of File Management will cover creating folders, moving, copying, and deleting files, and renaming files. Once you start working with digital files, you'll quickly appreciate the importance of managing all your files. You may have music files, MS Word files, photo files, or MS Excel files. Whatever type of file you have, you want to organize them so you can easily and quickly find them when you want to use them. First step in file management is creating folders. For music files, you may create folders for each artist, and for photo files, you may name the folders for the event the photos were shot during. For each of the courses I teach, I create a folder for tests, for PowerPoint presentations, and for miscellaneous items. To create folders, start Windows Explorer, and in the folder navigation pane, click the location you want to create a folder in. In this demonstration, I will create folders on my removable media, which is the H drive. On a different computer, this drive may be assigned a different letter, such as E or F. Click to select and highlight the H drive. Click File on the menu bar, point to New, click Folder. In the Contents pane, a yellow folder icon and text box appear at the bottom of the list. The text New Folder is highlighted in blue, indicating it is selected and will be deleted when you begin typing the name of the folder. Type Tests, T-E-S-T-S, and press the Enter key. The new test folder now displays in the folder navigation pane and the Contents pane. The same technique will be used to create 2 additional folders on my H drive named PowerPoint and Miss for miscellaneous. There are now 3 new folders on my H drive. Next, all of my disorganized files on the H drive will be organized by placing them into the newly created folder. As mentioned in Part 1, in any Windows-based program, there are usually 3 ways to accomplish any task. The most efficient way to move a file in Windows Explorer is the drag and drop method. Other methods are to cut and paste or use the Edit command and select the Move to Folder option. This video will only demonstrate the drag and drop method. However, you should use the method that you prefer. The H drive is already selected and expanded. To move one file at a time, click the file in the Content pane, drag it to the folder you want to move it into, and release. To move a group of adjacent files, click the first file, hold down the Shift key while clicking on the last file in the group, release the Shift key, drag the group to the folder, and release. To move a group of non-adjacent files, click the first file, hold down the Control key, and click on each additional file you want to move. When all the files are selected, release the Control key, drag the group to the folder, and release. These same methods can be used to move folders. There may be times when you don't want to move a file to a new location, but you want to copy it to a second location. Just as you would use a copy machine to make a second copy of a document to share with a friend, you can make a digital copy of a file. My Molia Robbins file, near the bottom of the Contents pane, is used independently and as part of a PowerPoint presentation. So I'd like to have a copy of it stored in my PowerPoint folder. The most efficient way to copy a file in Windows Explorer is to drag and drop. This is a method that will be demonstrated. Other methods are to copy and paste or use the Edit command and select the Copy to Folder option. The H drive is again selected and expanded. Click the file in the content pane to select it. Hold down the right mouse button and drag the file to the folder. Release the right mouse button and a shortcut menu appears. Click Copy Here from the list. A small window titled Copying appears, showing the progress of the copy and that the file is being copied from H to the PowerPoint folder. When the copy is completed, the small window will close. There is now a second copy of the file in the PowerPoint folder. To copy a group of adjacent files, click the first file, hold down the Shift key while clicking on the last file in the group, release the Shift key, right-drag the group to the folder, release, click Copy Here from the drop-down list. Because these small files were copied quickly, no progress window appears. To copy a group of non-adjacent files, click the first file, hold down the Control key, select each additional file, when all the files are selected, release the Control key, right-drag the group to the folder, release, and select Copy Here. Again, no small progress window appears because the files were small. These same methods can be used to copy folders.